welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you guys a very simple and easy, quick to do bun. So this bun is for like all season, but this bun is primarily for your at-home vibe. So all of us are at home, so therefore we need something that is nice, good looking, and also Instagram worthy. So for this bun, I'm going to take all my hair up into a ponytail, and then I'm going to take my rubber band over that ponytail, as you can see. Then I'm going to bring my hair and twist the rubber band at the same time and take all the hair together. So you would have seen the process, so it's easy. And then you can just let the rubber band stay over there. Now my hair looks a complete mess, but this is what you need, guys. You have to pull your hair out of it into a shape of the bun, so this will automatically come out into this shape of a bun. Now you would see some of my hair are sticking out, so I will use two options to deal with that. First, I would take all that long piece of hair and tuck it inside the rubber band so that the rubber band from that end is not visible and the bun looks seamless. And for rest of the hair, I'm going to take my bobby pins and stick them so that the bun does not fall off and at least stays in place. Now the best way you could actually formulate, that's a big word, you can actually make this kind of bun more funky and nice is to get as many as flicks you can get out. So you can take long pieces of hair, short pieces of hair, as you would see me doing after a while. And that's pretty much, guys. You have to just pull out your hair from in front, and do not forget to take out flicks, as many as you can. You have to just shape your entire look. And that's it for today's video, guys. I hope you guys would have enjoyed it. Do leave your comments on whether you liked the bun or not, and give it a thumbs up or a thumbs down, whatever you feel, guys. And I am going to see you guys in my next video very soon. Until then, stay blessed and stay happy. Bye.